Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm coming at you with another video, and we're going to be looking at a shoe that I picked up from Adidas on Black Friday. So Adidas had a sale this Black Friday Cyber Monday, and it was 30% off. So I ended up getting this pair of shoes that were marked down from $200 to $140 already, and then I used the 30% off coupon and brought them down to $98. So I brought them from $200 down to $98. Now, a couple videos ago, I made a video on this shoe right here. And this is the Adidas Terrex, or the Adidas Ultra Boost hiking shoe. And I got some questions on that video asking like how they're holding up, how I like them. And just to give you guys an update, I still love these shoes. I wear them more than any of my other shoes just walking around the city. But I did hike with these in Iceland. And I also went on a 10-mile hike with them through like mud and rain. And as you can see, they are still holding up very well. They still look pretty new. Just some wear like down in here, which I mean they're hiking shoes, so I really don't care. And then there's just a little bit of kind of like a crease on this side right here. But other than that, they aren't dirty. They look really good. And overall, they've been great shoes, or shoes, hiking boots, whatever you want to call them, and they've been very, very comfortable. So I wanted to make this video to give that update that they are really, really great shoes. And then I wanted to show you guys my Black Friday purchase, or Cyber Monday purchase, I guess, because I purchased them on Monday. And that is this colorway of the same shoe. So we have another Adidas Terrex Free Hiker. I had actually missed this colorway. I didn't see this before. But they were $200, marked down to $140, and then with the 30% off, I brought them down to $98. So I was not planning on getting another pair of these shoes so soon, but when I saw that price, because the other ones I bought for like $160, when I saw this price for $98, it was too good to pass up. So I ended up getting them. So just taking a look, this is going to be a quick video because I've already made a video showing the other ones. There we go. So same white Ultra Boost on the side. We have army green plastic reinforcement on the back. We have a camo midsole going all the way up to the toe box up here, and it's like a rubber material. You have the 3 stripes on the side that are also kind of rubbery. You have the green and black dotted knit material that compromises most of the shoe there, with some army green laces and black lines on those laces. Around the ankle where it has that elastic type of closure around your ankle, it is black, which I think is a really nice touch around there, as well as this black band that goes around the whole back. It says Terrex here, printed Adidas Terrex, and it has the pull tab, which is very strong. I actually have a pair of Nikes that have a pull tab, and I went to use that pull tab the other day because I was so used to using it on these, and the Nike ones just snapped immediately, first time using it. So this one here is incredible quality. Let's see if it will focus on that. This one here is incredible quality, and you can pull on that all day while you're putting your foot in, and it's not going to snap, at least not from my experience so far. And then at the front down here, you still have the rubber toe cap in the very front, so if you kind of hit your foot on something, it won't hurt, like hit a rock. And then you have a little strip of rubber to add some extra water resistance. These are not the Gore-Tex ones, so they are not waterproof like the new Gore-Tex ones. These are just water resistant. When I wore them on my hike and my shoes got soaked, the other pair, my feet did get like kind of soggy, but it wasn't like my socks were soaked. I could definitely just feel some moisture because I was actually walking through puddles that were covering the whole top of the shoe here. And then on the side we have a hit of khaki, which is the reinforcement that goes all the way through the shoe on the side, and it's kind of showing up right here. And so on the bottom here it's khaki. And then one of my favorite parts of this shoe is the sole. So as you can see, the camo print goes all the way from the side down to the bottom, goes all the way from the bottom, the heel of the shoe, to nearly the top here. And then it is Continental, which I used to have their tires on my car. It's Continental brand rubber on the bottom, and let me tell you, like, these give you crazy grip. I climbed up pretty steep surfaces with them. I went down some steep surfaces with them, never once slipped. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. You can see I got my camo on now to Patagonia to go with the theme. I'll probably wear these shoes with this Patagonia, but I just wanted to make this to just show you this new colorway and say that, I don't know, I think it might be the best colorway for these Adidas Terrex shoes. Let me know in the comments below if you agree or if you've seen a colorway that you like better. But I wanted to give you guys an update, let you know how the other Terrex shoes have been holding up since I got some questions about it, and just kind of show off the new colorway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, I'll have my Instagram, Twitter down below. If you want to go follow that, you know the deal. Go check everything out. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.